imposible hindi nyo na-experience na every time na parang gusto mong manood ng TV, laging nawawala yung remote. Parang alam mo naman na kanina nakalagay naman dyan ha. Bakit ngayon hindi ko mahanap? Pag hindi ko hinahanap, andyan siya. Pero pag hinahanap ko, nawawala siya bigla. You need to realize that everything is energy. Yes, everything is frequency. Wait lang te, I'm gonna get my drink muna. Hi te, it's Ace, and for today's video, I know that a lot of you have been requesting this topic. For today, hindi na pala for today, for tonight, as you can see, gabi na. For today's video, let's talk about law of detachment. Yes te. But first te, is I need to explain you kung ano ba talaga yung law of detachment. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam te, law of detachment is one of the laws of the universe on how our universe works, how our life works, and how we can easily manifest our life for the better, to have everything that you want. Law of detachment, from the word itself, the detachment. It means you are not obsessed, you are not desperate. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, ito yung frequency chart na mayroong iba't ibang level of consciousness. So, sa mga level of consciousness na yan, as you can see, diba, yung desperation, yung pagiging super obsessed, isa sa pinaka-low na vibration, while yung enlightenment, peace, being detached, is isa sa pinaka-highest na vibration. That's so true, kasi the more you are obsessed with something, the more it will run away from you. Di mo rin papansin na parang every time na meron ng ghost sa'yo, parang naging obsessed ka sa attention nila na bakit nila ako ginost, bakit hindi sila nag-reply, meron ba akong nagawang masama. You overthink a lot. Just because they don't give the energy that you desire or in-expected na reply, naging obsessed ka sa energy nila. And same with all the goals that you want to achieve. I know, marami mag-ask dyan, paano natin ma-achieve yung gusto natin kung hindi tayo obsessed, if hindi tayo focus? You know what, ganito kasi yan. I'm not saying naman na parang wala ka nang gawin. No, nate. Kailangan mo rin mag-work. But, basta huwag ka na maging super obsessed. So now, let's go on how you can apply law of detachment in your practical life. First, you need to do is you need to be specific. Yes, you need to be specific as possible. For example, you want to have financial stability, dapat maging specific ka kung ilan yung amount na gusto mo. 1.23 million, ganun. Like, be specific talaga. Kasi maraming meaning yung financial stability. Maybe yung source of income na gusto mo is from family, sa asawa mo, sa business mo, kung ano man yan. So, be specific talaga. Para mas madali mo mag-gets, diba, every time na parang nag-check out ka ng order sa mga online apps, once na parang na-place order mo na yung order mo, is hindi ka na magiging obsessed na, ano ba yan, darating ba yan, darating ba yan? Then no, kalmado ka lang, detach ka lang, ina-assume mo lang na darating yung order mo sa'yo. That's related to the second step, which is letting go of your desire. For example, diba, naging specific ka na, so kung ano talaga yung goals mo, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, kung religious ka, prayer, ipag-pray mo na, spiritual ka naman, i-manifest mo na yun, and then detach. Detach, kumbaga, i-place order mo na lahat ng mga gusto mong ma-achieve. As an influencer, in my case, diba, I really want to be big, na parang very superstar, like, influencer, I know that it's super, everything is possible for me, but I always assume na mangyayari at mangyayari talaga yon. So what I need to do is maging kalmado lang, to be laid back lang na parang, okay, on the process na, ship out na yung order ko, so aantayin ko na lang din na makarating yon sa reality ko. After mo, ipag-wish, ipag-pray kung ano yung gusto mo, it's time for you to do the work. Yes, manifestation is not just about, woo-woo lang, pag-manifest lang. You need to also do the work kasi God, the universe, whoever you believe in, is parang siya lang yung nagre-reconstruct sa reality mo. For example na lang, me as an influencer, hindi na si God or the universe, yung mag-a-upload, yung mag-shoot ng video. No, sa part ko na yun, dapat lahat ng part mo, is gawin mo rin. Kumbaga, yung faith and trust mo, kay God, is kailangan, ibigay mo sa Kanya, pero gawin mo din mismo yung part mo. I think about this reconstruction, dito karamihan nagkakamali. Ang atat natin, wala tayong patience na parang gusto natin na nag-workout tayo, kanina is magka 6 packs, 8 packs, 12 packs of abs na tayo agad-agad. Knowing na it takes time to build it. And same as you, lahat ng mga goals mo talaga, it takes time. Minsan talaga nade-delay. Just like sa pag-ship ng mga parcel, di ba? Merong bagyo, ganon. Same din sa goals mo. Minsan nade-delay kasi di mo mapansin na parang every time na nagpe-pray ka or nagmamanifest ka, merong mga taong bigla-biglang nawawala sa life mo. Bakit sila nagbago? Friendship heartbreak, romantic heartbreak, meron nangyari masama sa'yo na hindi mo ma-explain. Lahat ng mga bad things na yung nangyayari sa'yo, yun na mismo yung reconstruction, yun na mismo yung pag-process or pag-ship out ng mga goals mo. Nakikita lang natin yun as some something na bad things. Knowing te na yun na mismo yung process ng mga goals natin. Like honestly, te, God really gives you what you want. After mo te mag-manifest, agad na yan ipaprocess. Agad na yan te, parang isi-ship out. Pag na-place order mo na te yung gusto mo, agad-agad na yan isi-ship out. While processing te, kailangan mo talagang maging patient. Kailangan te maging kalmado ka lang. And kailangan mong i-avoid, hindi naman not naman te avoid the reality, but maging mindful ka lang na lahat na nangyayari sa'yo as of the moment te, is not against you. It is working out for you. Everything is happening for you, not everything is happening to you. That's what lagi kong sinasabi, everything happens for a reason. Kasi lahat ng mga nangyayari te, is merong reason based doon sa kung ano yung minanifest mo. That's why te, dapat maging careful ka rin talaga kung ano yung minamanifest mo. Kasi te, parang the more na super laki yung minanifest mo te, di ba parang sasabi kang, I feel like my calling is higher, ganun te. If feel mo na yun talaga yung para sa'yo, yung minamanifest mo te, meron kang price na need bayaran. Isa sa mga price na yun te is you need to work out, maybe you need to post every day. Kung ano yung mga routines and systems na yes, build a system, kailangan mo yun mismong gawin. And sometimes te, just like sa pag-develop or pag-reconstruct ng house, di ba? Kailangan mo nang sirain yung dating bahay in order to build a new one. And in your life te, sometimes yun yung mga taong kailangan mong i-let go, kailangan mo nang umalis sa friendship na yan. Maybe toxic na yung circle niya, so you need to decide for yourself if you really want to have that thing to achieve your goal. Kasi te, if nag-resist ka kapag kinontra mo yung pag-process sa goals mo te, hindi mo talaga makukuha yung manifestation mo. In short te, law of detachment is about assuming that your manifestation is on its way. The only thing you need to do te is to build faith, patience, dun mismo sa minanifest mo te, and also do the exact work. Hindi naman te, porket nag-manifest ka na te is wala. Ano-ano ka na lang dyan te, no? Hindi ako magiging influencer kung hindi ako nag-shoot, hindi ako nag-upload, di ba? Like, it takes hard work din te. Need lang talaga ng balance sa pag-manifest and mismo sa action. It needs to be unite. It's a fusion of it, and if you have those fusion te, no one can stop you. Manifestation is just magiging easy na lang yan sa'yo. So again te, every time you manifest, be specific. After mo malaman te kung ano talaga yung gusto mong i-manifest, i-place order mo na yun te, ipag-pray mo, set an intention that you really want that thing, talk to God. Ako te, yun talaga yung ginagawa ko para one-on-one connection. After that is plan or create a system or routine te, na align mismo doon sa goals mo. In my case te, I need to upload every single day, I need to shoot every single day. So, parang gagawin mo na lang te is, I'm gonna do my part, I'm gonna follow my system, the routines and the habits te, and let God, the universe, whatever you believe in, do its thing to process that goal. At last, especially patience and faith. Literally, you need to wait din. Sometimes it takes time kasi it takes reconstruction din. Meron ka mo namang pagdadaanan sometimes, but at the end of the day, when you have faith and when you really believe that yung manifestation mo is on its process, you will achieve that eventually. Because like in my case talaga, kung alam nyo lang yung buhay nyo, I'm still not ready to share everything pati about my personal life, but meron din tayong tinasasabihin ko, mapapasabi niyo, wow naman, grabe naman yung life-changing na nangyari kay Ace. But really talaga, when I started applying law of detachment in my life, like everything changed. Na parang, it's so scary din na nangyayari yung mga ganitong bagay. Knowing looking back sa buhay namin before, like crazy talaga it's so crazy. So this is where this video ends and I'm rooting for you. And let me know kung ano yung biggest manifestation mo kasi you know what by affirming and by saying it, especially parang writing, commenting, or journaling parang nahihear yan ni universe na parang nagsisend ka ng signal na gusto niya talaga yung yan din yung isa sa ginawa ko before na merong mga TikTok videos before na shoot this video because you will have this ganyan and eventually nagkatotoo naman. Minsan sinusulat ko pa sa digital notes ko and journal ko. I have like here this is my journal. I know it's so simple kasi ayokong maging super beautiful siya para hindi mabasa ng mga kapatid ko or mga tao sa bahay. I want this to be very incognito mode type of journal. You know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you learned something in this video and everything is possible and you deserve everything that you want. Your goals is on its way. Yeah, that's all and keep glowing. Love you guys and see you sa next video. Bye!